Hey everybody, this is Hunter. Hoping you're having an awesome day. Today I definitely have a treat for you. It is the 2021 Riverstone 39 FKSG. This is a front kitchen toy hauler by Forest River Riverstone, and I definitely think you're going to like it. Let's head right on inside. I'll show you a quick little tour, and then I'll break it down: kitchen, living room, bathroom, bedroom, then around the outside. Show you the toy hauler and everything that this bad boy has to offer. And if you dig RV videos, please make sure to like and subscribe. It all goes to help me. And make sure to comment what I can do better for you. I definitely read these comments and I take them out to heart. But right here, we got the living room. And again, just going to do a really quick tour to start. Make sure this is something that you guys want to see. And I think you will. But this camper weighs 17,300 pounds. Probably a price somewhere around 100,000, something like that. This is a little bit of a unique one in the fact that it is not the Riverstone, and it is, or the Riverstone Legacy. I apologize. And it is in the Decorator White, which is, you know, kind of a new one for Riverstone. I think you're going to love it. It is light and bright. It is good looking. I definitely think it stands out. All right, but here we are in the kitchen. The shining star of the camper outside of that garage and bedroom. This thing is amazing. You know, let's start off right here. You got yourself a little overlook where you can take a look over here, you know, watch a movie while you're in the kitchen, get some work done, whatever you need to do. You have two outlets right there and USB ports, so you can charge a laptop, an iPhone, iPad, whatever you have going on. And check this out, this island kitchen. Accent lighting around, hard, solid surface countertops. Those are real tile backsplashes as well. And you gotta love the hood. You know, you got a fantastic fan right there. So if you're cooking up some eggs and bacon on this 4 stovetop burner by Insignia, by the way, one of the largest ovens in the game, you know, it gets a little smoky. This camper, you don't have to worry about it. Suck it straight up there and you are good to go. But check out the size of that oven. Cook yourself some Thanksgiving dinner if that's your thing. Huge double bowl sink. Nice and residential like you deserve on something that's like this. Day and night shades. So day and night. So that way, you know, you can get some shade, you can catch the night, or you can leave it all the way open and see what's going on. But there is plenty of storage in this camper everywhere. As you can see, sorry for a second there, I had to zone out. Just put an offer in on a house today, so definitely make sure to like and subscribe. That will help me out a ton. All this money is going towards helping me pay for my very first house. Got a baby on the way, and we are pretty freaking excited. But this thing even has a dishwasher, and as you can see, it is not a tiny dishwasher. I mean, for an RV, I mean, heck, what else do you need? So you got plenty of storage over here, countertop space. Check these out. Those are nice. Soft latch, if you notice this, check this out. So you don't have to worry about slamming anything and damaging this thing. Solid surface, real tile. And we were talking about cooking some eggs and bacon. That fantastic fan. All you gotta do, there you go, as easy as that. Then you flip it off, sets itself back to where it needs to be, and you're good to go. Now this Samsung refrigerator, it's in the travel mode, so let's go ahead and get it out of that. That's how you keep those doors from flying open while you're driving down the road. Really a nice size residential refrigerator. Something that can handle the long trips if you're full-time living or just traveling for an extended weekend. You know, one trip to the grocery, fill that bad boy up, you're good to go for at least a week. Another impressive freezer. This actually has another tray, but it is taped in, so I won't pull that out. And I just love that accent lighting. But same storage as from the other side, so I'll just do one of those. And as you can see, outlets everywhere. So this is your microwave area. As you can see, more countertop space. This thing has a ton in this front kitchen model. 6 drawers right here. And again, the soft latch. An area to pull out a trash can. But this thing has a ton of storage. It is built well, really great construction. You know, it's the highest line for Forest River is the Riverstone. 3-inch thick walls. Everything is built right, and that's why you are paying the price for it. Now, right over here, you got a bunch of cabinets, but this blank spot right here, you might wonder why that is there. This comes standard with a desk, or you can put one of these sofas over there. This customer offered to wanted to have the couch deleted out of this. They're doing their own thing. They're building something there. So, you know, you can get rid of stuff like that too, if you choose. But really good storage across, and it spreads the entire length, you know, of that. And again, look at these white, light, bright countertops. They are just good looking. Pull out sofa right there, and to get that going, I won't pull it out all the way, but you can see just one finger, and it pulls on out, and it just flattens itself, you know, and you're good to go. You do a little flipperoonie. Your recliners, we all know what a recliner is, but you have electric control there and there for up and down, and again right here, a USB port in the middle of the two, outlets all over this place, and you have all your controls, you know, right here. Actually, speaking of controls, I'll show you this Firefly system that's in these bad boys now. So you can either take care of all of this from something like that, which are all over the place, by the way, or you can have them all in one central location. So you can go, whoa, light off, turn off everything, light on, or I love this, the living mood. So you see how it just does the accent lighting. So it's really nice for, you know, a little night where you still want to look around, and but you don't want it to be, you know, really dark. Big TV, JBL speakers, so you can get this thing bumping if you'd like. Storage right there for, you know, whatever you want to put there, and a fireplace that has a setting that'll go all the way up to 100 degrees. So on your cooler days, that is all you're going to need. Before we head into the bedroom, let's check out this bathroom. I freaking love it. I like how they added the black cabinets right there. I think it fits in really well with that white. Again, your tile backsplash, accent lighting behind there, and check out this shower. What a residential feel to that. The thing is beautiful. You got yourself a little stool right there that you can drop down. The old porcelain throne, and a little extra storage. Who doesn't like that? And don't forget, remember that fan from the kitchen? Got one right there. You're not going to be cooking eggs and bacon in here, but you can suck out the stench. Now, this is the toy hauler model, so to give more space in the toy hauler when you're in the traveling mode, this bed will lift all the way up to the bottom of those cabinets, and that gives you the head space that you need to fit in a full-size golf cart. So that is super neat for sure. And you have your ceiling lights. You can even turn on and off the reading lights. So if you want to turn these off, look at that. Pretty neat. It's just something that you get with a quality camper like this. Another TV here in the bedroom. Plenty of storage. There is solar on this camper, which we'll get into a little bit here on the outside. And what I'm going to try to do is, as I get it in the future, I will actually video the Legacy Edition as well. That way you can get a different feel. But this thing is leaving, you know, not much room for wanting. Plenty of storage over here. Check that out. You got some lights in there. Place for some hanging items. And you got 4 of these bad boys. See if I can get my fat booty to sneak around here. Storage up here. Storage there. Storage there. More outlets on either side. 2 USBs. 2 outlets there. But let's give you one more peek here of the inside, and then I'm going to head on the out, talk for a couple minutes. Then I'm going to go and enjoy a little date night with the lady. See if we get this house. I'm pretty pumped. I'm excited. But again, make sure to like, subscribe, maybe even comment if there's something you want me doing differently in the videos. I do read them, I do pay attention, and I try my best. All right, so right here, big pass-through storage. That's for your central vac right there. You can put on a slide topper on this bad boy, $700 for each of the slides that you want. You don't need one on that since you got the awning, but you have 2 awnings decked out with LED lights, looking really nice. This has a 4-camera safety system on this, so you have one right here, one on the other side of the camper, one, if I can block out that light for you, one right there, and then also one behind the camper above the toy hauler that you'll see in a minute. But you have great construction, tons of storage, everything that you need in a quality camper. And there is that other camera there that I was just mentioning, which is really nice to have. So now this is in, I would say, like the camping mode. So it's not up all the way. Right here, there is the slide out room where you can put it, you know, up and down, but this will raise, you know, all the way up to where that is flush with the top, and you can fit in a full-size golf cart. I mean, I'm 6 feet tall, and I can definitely stand in it in that up mode. You have a ladder to get on top to those solar panels, check your seals, do any type of maintenance that you need. You can add on slide toppers there and there. And check this, I love this. So you don't have to worry about bonking anybody's head at the campground or grandkids running around, and you know, you can do this with even just your foot if you want to, and it'll stay right there. More storage all around. And then there is the other slide for the kitchen. But I thank you guys very much for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. Again, make sure to sub if you like some RV videos. Thanks, guys. Bye.